Investing when you're not ready and not investing soon after you're ready are the two worst things that you can do in real estate. So how do you make yourself financially ready? Here's a plan which I call the 3D Financial Blueprint. I'm Edric Magwan, and this is The Real Deal! Welcome to my channel. I'll be sharing with you real stories and practical investment strategies so you can have the confidence to start and grow your real estate investments today. When buying a property, there are three financial components that you need to prepare for, which I call the 3D Financial Blueprint: discipline, down payment, and debt. First, let's talk about discipline, your ability to save. How much savings do you need before investing? The answer lies in one of the basic principles of personal finance, the emergency fund. Pag may emergency fund ka, hindi ka basta mapipilitang ibenta ang property mo ng palugi or mag-worry na baka ma-foreclose ang property mo in times of crisis or financial distress. As a rule of thumb, the safe level of emergency fund is equivalent to 3 to 6 months worth of your income, depending on the nature of your work or how fast you can find another job. Then the next step is to hit that subscribe button to learn more how you can prepare for your real estate investment. Once you have an emergency fund, it's time to talk about your down payment. How much should you allocate for your monthly down payment? Personally, after maintaining the emergency fund, I put all my free cash into investments, mostly real estate, so I can grow my money and not lose to inflation. In your case, this could be any amount of your free cash, which is your monthly income less your monthly expenses and other cash outlay. A fairly decent amount to start with for a pre-selling condo unit is 20,000 pesos per month at 20% down payment over 4 to 5 years. With this amount, you can buy a quality studio or one-bedroom unit in a great location in Metro Manila worth 5 million pesos. To pay for the balance, you may use debt or home loan. So how much should you prepare for the monthly loan amortization upon turnover? If you pay a relatively small down payment over the 4 to 5 year pre-selling term, like 20% in the example earlier, then your monthly loan amortization will be a lot higher than your monthly down payment. Is this an issue? No, it will only be an issue if you don't plan for it. Remember that you have 4 to 5 years to plan for it and make it happen. In determining how much you can afford, don't just look at your current capacity, but consider your long-term earning potential. A simple way to do this is by looking back on your income 3 to 5 years ago. How much has your income grown since then? You can safely assume that by working hard towards your career goals, your income will grow by at least the same rate. Also, remember that for investment properties, you will have a rental income that will help you pay for the monthly loan amortization. Or if you're going to use the property yourself, you're going to save on your monthly rent expense. Whether you avail of the lightest payment term or the regular term, the most important thing is that you can and you will be able to pay the loan long term. Don't be too aggressive that you will buy a property now that you can't afford to pay long term. Also, don't be too conservative that you'll end up not investing at all or you'll settle for less. The key here is that you manage your cash flow long term. By creating and working towards your 3D financial blueprint, you'll be ready to invest in real estate and reap its benefits in no time. If you need help in getting the right property investment for you, send me a message on my Facebook or Instagram via the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time!